West, we call it Kanye West. Landon, let's get it. Wild, wild West. Yeah. It's Texas, desperado, rough rider. No, you don't want none of this. Six gun in this, brother running this. It's Texas, desperado, rough rider. No, you don't want none of this. Six gun in this, brother running this. Buffalo soldier, looking like I told you, ain't trouble in this stress. Be handled quick when they meet text, roughneck, check the law and abide. Watch yourself a flex, get a hole in your side. Swallow your pride, don't let your lip react. Don't wanna see my hand where my hip be at. From the start of this, running the game. Text came in the West, so remember the name. Now we gon' call out of the name. Now who you gon' call? Not the weak ones. We going straight to the wild, wild West. When I'm rolling to the, we going straight to the wild, wild West. When I stroll into the wild, wild West, to the wild, wild West. Changed out the Lone Star West. We going straight to the wild, wild West. Down. Once upon a time in the West, madman lost a damn mind in the West. Outlaws trying to claim nothing less. Now I must put them to the test. Can you feel me? They're through the shadows in the saddle, ready for battle. Bring all your boys in, here come the boys in. Behind my back, all the ripping you did. Front and center where you live at, kid. A mean rider, bad for your health. Looking damn good, though, if I can say it myself. Only trouble's coming, but I don't fear that. Got mad grit, too, ain't trying to hear that. Trying to bring down me, the champion. When y'all clowns gon' see that it can't be done. Understand me, son, I'm the slickest there is. I'm the quickest there is. Did I say I'm the slickest there is? So if you barking up the wrong tree, we coming. Don't be starting nothing. Me and my crew gon' finish it. We going straight to the wild, wild West. When I'm bouncing, told it. We going straight to the wild, wild West. When I'm wild West. When I'm wild West. To the wild, wild West. Wild, wild West. We going straight to the wild, wild West. They the outlaw tryna draw, thinking you're bad. And they drawing this text best with a pen and a pad. Don't even think about it. Six gun weighing a ton, 10 paces and turn just for fun, son. Up to sundown, rolling around, see where the bad guys are to be found and make them lay down. The defenders of the West, crushing all pretenders in the West. Don't mess with us, cause we in the wild, wild West. The wild, wild West. We're going straight to the wild, wild West.